Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to save diagram as PNG in Droyo. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to click the start button. If this is your first time in Droyo, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. To save a diagram here in Droyo as a PNG file is a simple process. All you have to do is just follow these simple steps. All right. So once you open the Droyo application on your computer or the web version, you want to make sure you click the full screen option, because if you wanted to add more diagrams along the way, you have the access to the tools in the left section. You can add the scratch pad, general, miscellaneous, and advanced, basic, flowchart, and a lot more. You can edit them here. So once you're happy with that, click the file section for now. So we have the edited latest version of the file, so we can save it to PNG later. Now go to the file section, click the export as, and of course the first option is going to be the PNG. Now a dialog box will appear with several export options. You can customize these according to your needs. All right. Number one option is going to be the transparent background. Check this box if you want the PNG to have a transparent background. All right. In the size, if you wanted to use the page, you can choose whether to export the current page or the diagram only. All right. You can put in the zoom to like 100% or like 69%. You can also add a border width, for example, 6.9. So you have all these. You have an option to choose the appearance, if it's going to be light or dark, or if you want to add a shadow or grid. And again, you can include a copy of your diagram. Is it going to be all pages, especially for working with page 1 and page 2, or just the current page? Now, from here, click the export button. You will be asked again, where do you want to save your PNG? All right. Once you have configured the settings, click that, and you can choose where do you want to save the file. If you want to use your Google Drive, you can also do that. Click the Google Drive, click on save. It will be saved to your Google Drive account. Again, if you don't want that, click on the file, export as PNG again, same settings, but this time we're going to choose the light, add some shadows, click the export button. And this time we're going to be choosing the download button. If you do it, this will be saved to your computer. All right, if you click on the download button. Now, if you go quickly to your Google Drive to want to make sure that you have saved or exported the PNG file, go to the recent button. You would notice that you have successfully exported the file here in Google Drive. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.